What if I told you DJI, the kings of drones and the wizards behind some of the smoothest action footage out there, are finally stepping into the 360° camera arena? Yep, after months of complete silence, DJI has broken cover. And this time, it's not just some vague rumor floating around the forums. We're talking actual leaks. Images, user manual screenshots, teardown photos, the whole shebang. If you've been waiting to see DJI join the 360 party, well, grab your popcorn because this is the clearest glimpse we've ever gotten. So let's go back to October for a sec. That's when we first caught whispers that DJI might be working on a 360 camera. Fast forward 6 months, we've now got high-res images that give us a pretty solid look at the upcoming device. And these aren't your typical blurry Bigfoot in the woods shots. No, these are crystal clear testing photos. And what they show is a camera that looks a lot like the GoPro Max, rounded lens housings, a compact design, and of course those big bold fisheye lenses that just scream full 360-degree capture. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some teardown images reveal that DJI is using a clever little trick, just like the Insta360 X3. Instead of pointing the sensor directly at the lens, they're using a 45-degree mirror to bounce the light. Why? Because that allows them to cram more powerful hardware into a smaller body without making the camera bulkier. It's like tech Tetris. Fit everything just right, and boom, you've got a compact beast. And the fact that DJI is using the same method as Insta360, that's a clear sign. They're not playing around. They're coming in ready to challenge the big players. Now, onto the juicy details. The leaked user manual shows that this camera will fully support the DJI Mimo app. If you've used it before with DJI's other cameras, you know it's smooth, responsive, and packed with features. Even better, the camera is powered by a 1950 mAh battery, the exact same one from the Osmo Action 5 Pro. That means DJI is reusing some of their best internal tech, which is a smart move both in terms of performance and cost efficiency. It's not reinventing the wheel, it's upgrading it. Specs are still under wraps for now, but from what we've seen, it supports 30W USB-C charging, has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and can be controlled either with physical buttons or a touchscreen interface. That's great news for those of us who shoot in unpredictable conditions, buttons when your fingers are frozen, screen when you want smooth swiping. And looking at the mounting points and accessory slots, yeah, this thing is clearly built to be rigged up however you want, bike mounts, helmets, tripods, you name it. But before we all get too excited and start planning our next VR hiking trip, here's the catch. According to Jasper Ellens, one of the most reliable sources in the tech leak scene, there's no indication this camera is anywhere close to shipping. No retailer chatter, no test units floating around, nothing. Add in the ongoing trade tensions between the US and China, and it's possible this camera may be stuck in development limbo for a while. So while the leaks are exciting, don't expect to find this thing on shelves next week. That said, this is still a massive moment. Even if it doesn't drop tomorrow, this is the clearest look we've had at DJI's 360-degree ambitions. With GoPro and Insta360 already deeply invested in this space, it's actually refreshing to see a new contender enter the game, especially one with DJI's pedigree. If they follow through and actually launch this thing, it could shake up the market in a big way. Imagine a camera that combines DJI's engineering, Insta360's clever optics, and GoPro's user experience. It could be a game changer. But what do you think? Is DJI showing up fashionably late, or are they about to take over the 360-degree camera scene? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech coverage, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any updates. If you're curious how the current 360 leaders stack up, check out the videos on screen right now for full reviews of the GoPro Max and Insta360 X3. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and as always, peace.